Welcome. In this video tutorial, I would like to speak about spying winning Facebook ads, video ads and Instagram ads. Okay, so this is a game changer. I wish I had this 5 years ago when I got started with Facebook ads. See, this will dramatically save you a lot of time and money testing ads to find a winning ad. Otherwise, you'll spend lot of time split testing each and every ad. Using this tool, I can instantly get which is a winning ad, what my competitors are doing, their landing page, okay, what kind of engagement they are getting, how many post likes, shares, comments they are getting, visits to their landing page, okay, how long they are advertising, whether it's which country they are advertising, whether it is a male or female, and lot of other parameters. See, this is the dashboard. Okay, you can have, you see, there are a lot of video tutorials here. 3 minutes video tutorials. You can go here if interested. Okay, 2 to 3 minutes video tutorials. Yeah, very simple. Okay, it will give you an idea. And this is the main thing, search ads. Once you click search ad, yeah, search ad. See, this is used to reverse engineer what your competitors are doing. I mean, find your winning ad and exactly replicate. Try to create a better post than them, try to create a better website than them, and what to say, try to do something different from them. If it is winning for them, definitely it will ruin for you if you run an ad on Facebook. Okay, so yeah, so let me choose about travel. Okay, it's a highly competitive niche. I've done for my running lot of ads on behalf of my clients. Travel and tourism is highly competitive niche. Even there are flights, okay, and e-commerce, selling physical goods, luxury, watches, clothes, brands. Even people are selling real estate cards on Facebook, okay, and local services like lawyer, dentist, okay, or anything, any local services which you can provide to a real human being, they are selling it on Facebook. Okay, so what you have to do is, even you can also filter by placements. Okay, I think you know about Facebook newsfeed ad, right column ad. Okay, the newsfeed ad on Facebook, right column ad, which is displayed at the right bottom corner, and newsfeed ad on mobile. Okay, I think newbies are not familiar with this, but those people who run Facebook ads in the past know what I am talking about. And you can target by industries. I personally don't use this, but it's up to you. You can sort by emotions. That means maximum number of likes. I mean the emotions: love, angry, wow, sad, haha. See, some people, they don't type the words, they just show the emotions to your ad. So you come to know what the mood is about. And gender, you can target only by male and female. And the country, the country shown in this drop down list and more. Okay, and buttons, CTA buttons. What CTA means? Call to action. What do you want? You need a visit to the website, you need a like to the post, you need someone to share your post, you need a comment, you need emojis, whatever. Okay, you could see here all buttons: book now, download, learn more, shop now, sign up, watch more. See, if you have basic knowledge about Facebook, or if you are using, or basic knowledge about Facebook ads, you can understand it better. See, this is how the interface looks like. Okay, it's very useful tool. It has saved me a lot of money for me and my clients instead of wasting a lot of time on testing and engagement. Okay, so the keyword is travel and tourism. It's highly competitive niche, and we configure a lot of ad campaign, winning ad campaign for them. Okay, let me search here. But they don't know I am using this particular tool to do all the researching part. It's very easy. I will show you how to do the research. Just follow as I do. You can use your own creativity, artistic skills, idea. Okay, researching. Okay, see, this ad you can also target by range, age range. Age range, see, 13 to 65. Let me show you. 13 to 65. Okay, you can even target by age range, date range. Okay, see, this database only shows ad of what to say past 5 months. Okay, past 5 months. See, 150 days, past 5 months. Ad engagement 0 to 10. Facebook quality score of 1 to 10. See, these are the ad. Okay, see the I will show you. See, this particular ad, they are running since 2 days ago. Okay, since 2 days ago they are running this ad on Facebook. Okay, so the engagement is less. So this particular ad, they are running since 3 months ago. They are running this since 3 months ago. They got 132 comments, 0 shares, likes, love, and haha movement. Okay, let me check this ad. So what you have to do, just click on that particular ad. Okay, so it will show the page, advertiser URL, newsfeed ads, fan page is this one, type of targeting they are showing here, detailed targeting information, the words they use on their page, ad rank is 50%, good, and the country they are targeting. Let me see the country they are targeting. Okay, they are targeting the country United Kingdom, gender male, 25 to 34. I think it may be a brand awareness ad or a conversion ad, whatever, ad history. They spent around $2,000, 2000 more than $2,500 for this ad. Okay, it's a big name. See, if they are spending that kind of money, definitely they should be getting that kind of conversions. Okay, or if they are running that particular ad for a longer time, that means that is working. See, nowadays everybody hang out on Facebook. There are people who hang out on Facebook for 6 hours, 10 hours a day. They are always in front of Facebook. You're in advanced countries like USA, UK, Canada, Australia, Germany, France, Spain, Singapore. Okay, people are always in front of Facebook. Okay, whatever you target, they will see your ad, your video, they will look what it is. They'll do the engagement, like, post, comment it, share it. Okay, whatever. They'll save your post. They'll contact you later. See, this particular ad, International Travel College of New Zealand. So you can put any keyword, finish school and not sure what to do this year. Take a take our career quiz to find out what you would be great at. There's a role out there for everyone. See, this is how I do the reverse engineering. Okay. So find the winning ad and exactly replicate the same. Okay, I don't think here it is. Yeah, see, this is a winning ad. Yeah. So do something like this. Okay. Live an unforgettable cruise. Okay. So it's a tourism services and tourism is a very profitable industry. Everybody knows that. So let me go to video ads. I think you got an idea how to do the research. Okay. Go to video ads. Yeah. And see any niche keyword, okay, related to your particular, if they are advertising on Facebook, definitely it will pull. Okay, Facebook algorithms will pull that. Travel and tourism, I'm looking only for travel and tourism. Okay, just for demo purpose I'm using these particular keywords. You can use insurance, mortgage, real estate, what to say, e-commerce, any physical goods, Shopify, whatever. Okay, if the ad is working, they're running it for a long time, the ad rank is bigger, the score is bigger, definitely that ad is working. Even you can also use these filters. Okay, but I prefer this particular option. Okay, so let me show you how to do the analysis. This time for video ads. So we have seen test ads, now we are looking video ads. Okay, this particular ad, see the ad. Okay, see this particular ad, they got 132 comments, shares, this particular video ad. Okay, just click on that video. Okay, what they are running, why they are getting so much engagement and conversions, let me see. So it is a, let me mute this. So it is a, what to say, 20-second video with a headline and they got 3000 likes, 133 comments and 413 shares. Okay, 416 shares. Okay, not bad. And that too they are doing the targeting only in front of people who matter to their business. Okay, so it's a winning ad. So instantly replicate the campaign. Just me click on this particular ad. Okay, what this is about, let me see what this ad is about. Okay, no, leave it, not logged into Facebook. Let me see the status. Targeting ad rank 50%. It's running for, yeah, day 18, day 20, action. See the actions and score. Okay, so it is a winning ad. So replicate their, what to say, landing page, whatever. Okay, let me see this particular ad. Oh, this, they are redirecting to YouTube. Let me see this particular ad. Status 10%. See, those ad got 50%, here it is 10%, it is less. Ad rank, anything near to above 50% is good. Okay, sponsored just now. See, this guy sponsored the ad just now, running an ad right now. I think it's a click to YouTube video, right? Let me check it. Let me view the stats. So it pulls from the database. Oh, people are engaging with this post. Ad rank 30%. How long is running the ad? Since 10 days is running this ad. Okay. So this is a good tool. Now let me come to Instagram. Okay. I think Instagram is a big bet. Everybody is using Instagram. All advertisers, marketers are jumping into Instagram. There is a lot of viral traffic on Instagram. Click Instagram ads. Right? Yeah, this is Instagram. Let me search for travel and tourism. Okay, best platform to engage with users, engage with prospects and leads. Okay, click search, put any niche keyword. If there is on Facebook database, definitely it will pull it. Okay, travel and tourism, this is the ad. They are running since 3 months ago and this ad got 185 likes and there is a click to action, book now. Okay, I mean the redirection to their website, and it's a sponsored ad. Let me click how long they are running this. Oh, it's a landing page. See the landing page. So this is the landing page they use to get this kind of conversions. Okay, perhaps you can do perhaps you can create a website better than this. Okay, and tap all the traffic on Facebook. See, nowadays HTTPS SSL matters. Okay, that is very important for anybody to make the transaction, to trust your website. Many other trust signals and trust factors, that is also very important apart from this. Okay, now let me try with what to say, real estate. Okay, let me try with real estate. When lot of guys are into real estate, let me see if anything pops up here. Okay, real estate, there are many keywords for Instagram. Let me give you an idea. Properties, yeah, see, 1000 likes. Okay, I think this is a winning ad. Okay, so create an image similar to this. Okay, don't copy the same, create an image similar to this. Okay, they are running this since 3 months ago. See, if they want to run this since 3 months, that means the ad is working, it's converting for them, they are getting lot of phone calls, conversions, whatever. Okay, so click on that ad. So this is their landing page. Okay, and Facebook is tracking the click, UTM. That means Facebook is tracking the conversions. Okay, that means he has pasted the what to say conversion code on his website. So this is the website. You can create a similar website. You can hire a graphic designer, developer, or you yourself can create it. If they are getting that kind of conversions, definitely it's easy to replicate. Nowadays, if you have the right tools, you can easily replicate the competition. So you can tap all the traffic on Facebook without wasting lot of time and money on ads. Okay, you can instantly replicate which is working. Use your own judgment. Apart from this, use your own judgment. See, let me click this particular ad. Offers, they are running an offer. Okay, right now this URL is not working. Let me check this one. See the power. Call to action. Never knew Facebook Instagram redirects to a website. Call to action. Alright, leave it. See, this is how the interface works. Other than that, we have social ad spy. You can also keep a tag of favorite ads and notification. Just put the competitor keyword and put your email, and every time anybody related to that particular keyword post an ad, you will get a notification through email. And follow competitors. Okay, just search the Facebook fan page of the competitors, put the URL here. Anytime if a post ad related to your niche, you will get an email. You will get a notification, so that you can track what he is doing, instantly spy on them.